Good morning, children. So, components of food. So, what are the components of food? We have already discussed about the components of food. So, the components are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins and neutrals. So, already the completed carbohydrates and fats and proteins, but vitamins and minerals. So, the vitamins and minerals The vitamins or minerals are present in the especially fruits. So, how many kinds of vitamins you know already? Vitamins, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12 and vitamin C and vitamin A, C, D, especially vitamin D. So, these are the certain types of vitamins. So, the vitamins are B12, B2, B12, this is cyanocobalamin, and vitamin C and vitamin A and vitamin D. So, the vitamins are major role in our food system, in our dietary systems. So, where it will be available the B2 and B12 and vitamin C and vitamin A, vitamin D. So, the vitamin B and vitamin 12 is the grapes and certain kinds of vegetables it will be available. So, you know that vitamin C, grapes, it is also present in the grapes and citrus flavors like orange, citrus flavored fruits will be available the vitamin C. So, what about the vitamin A? The vitamin A is present in milk and fruits like apples and leafy vegetables it will be present, etc. The vitamin A is present in milk, apples and certain type of leafy vegetables, green vegetables. What about the vitamin D? The vitamin D mainly producing our body, like if we have stand in sunlight will be producing uncertain type of food items. So, children, you have to write the different type of vitamins are present in the different kinds of vegetables. You have to list out. That is your homework. Next, minerals also present in it is a gives energy for our body, and certain kinds of fruits are present in that minerals like fish, milk, meat. So, certain type of fruits, the minerals are present. Next, the components. Test for the components. The first component is carbohydrates. The first carbohydrates. First components. Test for the carbohydrates. Test for carbohydrates. So, what are the carbohydrate test? You know about the carbohydrates or the carbohydrates of a components. See that carbohydrates are present in that rich is rice, wheat. So, you take some rice flour. And take in the test tube. A small quantity of rice flour is taken. And added the iodine solution. Added the iodine solution. So you take some rice flour or wheat flour or potato, that is a carbohydrate rich foods. Have to take some the rice flour in a small test tube, laboratory test tubes, and added some iodine solution. It is available in our labs. So what happened? It is the rice flour, it is changed into color blue or black, deep blue, ink blue, like deep blue color and black color. So it is confirmed as it is a carbohydrate. The food is present in the carbohydrate test. If you take any of your substance, any of the flours, you have added the iodine solution. What will happen? What will happen? It is confirmed the components are present in carbohydrates. For example, if we take the potato and cut into two halves, pour some 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution and half of the potato, what will happen? And that the deep blue color, and you drop that iodine solution in 2 or 3 drops of cutting of the potato, what will happen? You poured some iodine, what will happen? So the pot, when you pour the 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution, on the spot will be converted into deep blue color or black color. So you have to test for the carbohydrates. Next we have to take test for the proteins. Test for proteins. So what are the proteins? You know already about the proteins. So the proteins are dals, different type of dals, Bengal grams, grain grams, chana. So different type of your protein items. You have to take one test tube and you smash that. Have to take any grains, have to powder that, and you have to take one test tube. Take one test tube and that protein powder. Have to take the protein powder and add the CuSO4, means copper sulfate. And also you should add for caustic soda. So caustic soda. So this is the protein test. Caustic soda and copper sulfate is added for the protein powder. What will happen? After some time it will be shake. What will happen? The protein powder is converted into violet color. Violet color. So the proteins is converted into violet color. The copper sulfate, and means USO4, is added to the protein powder, and also caustic soda is added for the protein powder. What will happen? The color will be changed in violet color. So this is a test for proteins. You have to take any grains, chena and Bengal gram, black gram, moong dal. So if you take any type of a grains and smash that and powder that, if you take one test tube, add some this type of a chemicals, it is completely changing the color. The color is in violet. So it is the test for a proteins. Test for proteins. So what about the test for fats? It is very easy, very simple method. That is a test for fats. So test for fats means you have to test the fats. If you take a little small paper, white sheet, white normal paper. If you pour some drops of a oil, if you pour some drops of a oil and just apply on the paper, just 4 or 6 or 7 drops of a oil and apply on that oil evenly. The what will happen when compared to normal paper and the oil papers? So it will be change the state like completely oily of the paper. So what will happen? The oils are spreaded. The oils are very fats. If you take any kind of oil, so different types of oils are present. If you take any kind of oil, any type of oil, coconut oil, seed oil, seed oils, so that is yavish. Then take this is one of the activity, that is a test for fats. Test for fats that generally have to take. See, in outside food we are buying like vadas, bhajis, they are the food items are folding the one paper. After you have to coming to the home, what will happen? You will carefully observe that the paper is absorb the oil. Absorb the oil means the fats are present in the food items. So fats are present in the food items. This is a test for fats, very simple. Next, coming for that, next items, the components. Components means like in nutritions. So the nutrients foods of you present in that. So see that vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates. So different types of minerals, different types of vitamins are present. We are taking daily food items. So next, roughages. So what are the roughages? So the roughages are balanced our daily food items. Then what are the roughages? So including the roughages, you have to, especially is the water. Water also some kind of we have taken after the food. We are taking the water. So the water is one type of roughages, like including our body. It is a very important thing, that is a water. Yes, we have, after we have discuss about the water. Just simply we have take the first roughages. So what are the roughages? The roughages are including of our food. It is the roughages is maintain the food balance, maintain the balanced diet of our food. What are the roughages? Fruits is a one type of roughages, and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables and grains. Fruits, vegetables and grains are the mainly roughages, and also seafood like fishes. Present in a certain type of vitamins and minerals are present in the fishes also. See that fruits. So number of fruits we have to, after we taking the food like a breakfast and lunchtime and dinner, we have to take different type of fruits daily. We can't take a daily same food, like we not follow. Today is an apple, tomorrow mango, so after tomorrow banana. So different kinds of food items we are eat. And what are the vegetables? So we are eating in the lunchtime and breakfast and dinner different types of curries, different types of dals is made and we are eat because of a lot of vegetables. Today is brinjal, tomorrow is a certain type of vegetable curry. So we are taking certain types of vegetables we are eating daily. Whatever the grains, so different types of grains we are eat daily, like today red gram and tomorrow is a moong dal. So different types of grains are we are eating. So next to fishes. So fish is also one type of roughages we are taken. So these type of roughages are balanced our diet. You have to make the one chart. What today we are eating fruits. What tomorrow today is your vegetables, including your food. That is one type of a refuges. What are the grains you are eating today? So, which type of, you have to make a chart for a whole week, 1 week. Monday, which kind of fruits we are eating, and which kind of a vegetables, which type of a grains we are eating. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So in a breakfast, lunch time and dinner time. So which type of food we are eaten? Please list out and just verify. So in the whole week, how many refuges we are including our body, and next here go for the water. So you know how much need of your water in our daily life. We can't live in a one day without water. It is very difficult. So the water is occupying 75% of our body. The water is a 75% in our percent. 75% is our body is present in the water. So water is very essential role of in our daily lives. The water is the main system, including of your refuges. The water is important role it will be playing. Okay. Next, balanced diet. Should balance your diet with all kind of a refuges. So what are the diseases, dietary diseases? So what are the dietary diseases? May that acidities. So you can't take a time for the lunch and time for the dinner and a breakfast. So it is not a balance. You can't balance the time. You can balance your refuges in including of your daily life. It is very difficult. So diseases are formed. In order to take a good water, a good food of in your lifetime, then what will happen? The number of diseases will attack you, like a diarrhea, like acid disease. So number of diseases are formed. So you have make sure that maintain the balanced diet. Maintain the balanced diet and including roughage of your food and water to be healthy. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow and next class we have to coming for that a new chapter. Okay, thank you.